Email verification failed on Coinbase Fix. If you're having trouble verifying your email on Coinbase, most people get it wrong by assuming it's a platform issue. The surprising truth is that the problem usually comes from typos, spam filters, or outdated account details. Fortunately, you can fix it quickly with these steps. Step 1. Check your inbox, spam, junk, and promotions folders. Coinbase verification emails are often filtered automatically by Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook. Step 2. Ensure the email address in your Coinbase account is accurate. Even a small typo can prevent verification. If necessary, update your email and request a new verification link. Step 3. Add no reply Coinbase.com to your contacts or save sender list to avoid future filtering. Step 4. Request a new verification email via the Coinbase website or app. Avoid multiple rapid requests, as this can temporarily suspend the verification process. Once your email is verified, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security and ensures all notifications arrive promptly. By following these steps, you can resolve email verification issues on Coinbase efficiently, regain full access to trading and account features, and protect your funds. Keeping your email accurate and well managed is essential for a smooth and secure Coinbase experience.